Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to do a quick review on the Pythagorean Theorem. If you've completed the grade 8 Pythagorean Theorem videos, today's lesson will be a lot easier for you. So here's the theorem. Let A, B, and C be the length of the sides of a right-angled triangle, where C is the length of the hypotenuse. So we have our triangle here, AB, hypotenuse C. So then A squared plus B squared equals C squared. So example number 1, we have a triangle here, 3, 4, 5. So if we go 3 squared plus 4 squared gives 25. 5 squared also gives 25, so this is a right-angled triangle. Right? So the theorem says that if it's a right-angled triangle, it has to follow this property. If it doesn't, then it's not a right-angled triangle. So example 2, we're going to find the value of x and round answers to 2 decimal places. So here we have 5 squared plus x squared equals 8 squared. So we have that written down. So x squared is 25. X squared plus 25 equals 64. Minus 25 to both sides, so x squared equals 39. Square root both sides to isolate the x. So we have x equals root 39. And this is approximately 6.24. And so we notice that there's no plus or minus because we're only looking at positive lengths. And so that's why there's no plus or minus in front of the square root. B, 2 squared plus 2 squared equals x squared, like that. 4 plus 4x squared, 8 equals x squared. Square root both sides to isolate x. X equals root 8. And that gives approximately 2.83. Okay, time for some practice. Practice number 1. Find the value of x and round the answers to 2 decimal places. Go ahead and pause the video and answer that. Okay, we're back. So A, 3 squared plus x squared equals 9 squared, like that. And so that gives 9 plus x squared equals 81. Minus 9 on both sides to get x squared equals 72. Square root both sides to isolate x. So x equals root 72, which is approximately 8.49. B, 11 squared plus 8 squared equals x squared. Right, and so that's what we have here. 121 plus 64 equals x squared. 185 equals x squared. Square root both sides to isolate x. So x is root 185, which is approximately 13.60. C, we've got 12 squared plus x squared equals 15 squared, like that. 144, 225. We want x squared on its own, so we go minus 144 to both sides. X squared equals 81. Square root both sides. X equals 9 as our answer. D, 17 squared plus 4 squared equals x squared. So that's what we have here. So 4 squared plus 17 squared equals x squared. It gives x squared equals 305. Square root both sides. X is root 305, which is approximately 17.46. And so I recommend that you complete the grade 8 Pythagorean videos because there's many types of practice problems in those videos. And that's it. I'll see you guys in the next video.